Lot 2412C as in cat. Here we have ourselves 2002 Sea-Doo GTX DI, direct injection model, 951 motor. We're tearing this machine down into parts. Our phone number is 218-844-4968 to buy parts off this machine, or you can visit Motorsports.com. The engine is locked up, but electrical and the gauge all works. There's 194.8 hours on the machine. There's the gauge. There's the hours right there, 194.8. It's got a little glare in it, but that's what it is. It's a freshwater machine, never been in salt, so all the parts that come off it will be clean. There's the motor, electrical, MPEM, drive unit. Thanks for stopping by.